it would seem that Asus has gone rogue, and I'm talking about their new Hatsune Miku lineup. Starting off with the main attraction, the Asus Astral ROG 5080 OC Edition. Now this has come out in a Hatsune Miku theme, and as you can see, it's coming in quite sleek, obviously featuring all your fancy RTX 50 series card stuff, GDDR7 and so on. Not a bad GPU from the looks. Now for some cooling. To cool this beast of a system you're going to be putting together, you have got the Hatsune Miku Rayu Edition 360mm AIO. Now this does feature a 6.67 AMOLED display. Not only have you now got the aesthetic, you have got the cooling to match. Now for my favorite has to be the motherboard. We've got the ROG Strix X870E-H version motherboard. This is obviously Hatsune Miku themed. It is a black motherboard, and it's going to give you that black aesthetic for your build. Now, fitting everything together, we have got the Helios 2 Miku Edition case. This is a E80X tower, obviously aluminium frame with a glass panel. This case does support up to 420mm AIOs and GPU lengths up to 450mm. It also has a built-in GPU anti-sag brackets, along with all the cable management you might need. Powering everything up, we have got the ROG Thor 2 1200 watt Miku Edition power supply, obviously packing an OLED on your power supply and giving you the premium gang MOSFETs required to power everything not only efficiently but safely. Next up, we've got the monitor. This is Hatsune Miku 27-inch monitor. Not only is this a freaking thing responsive as in 0.3 milliseconds, it's also able to be clocked to 260 Hertz if you require. And lastly, we have some apparel from Asus ROG featuring Miku. You've got two versions here. You've got version 1 and version 2. Let me know your thoughts. Which one of these two t-shirts would you be picking up?